Introduction to Euclid geometry. Euclid was a great mathematician of Greek in 300 BC. He gave a systematic manner to solve the geometric problem. We discussed some geometric terms from Euclid geometry. Some basic geometrical concept. Axioms. Axioms, the basic facts which are taken for guaranteed without proof are called axioms. The basic facts which are taken for guaranteed without proof are called axioms. That means इसका कोई प्रूफ नहीं है, बट ये क्या है कि यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ होते हैं. जिसका कोई प्रूफ नहीं होता, ये जो टर्म्स होते हैं, स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं, यूनिवर्सली ट्रूथ होते हैं. दैट मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल whole is always greater than parts. Whole is always greater than parts. A line contains infinitely many points and so on. एंड ऐसे बहुत एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. हाल्फ्स ऑफ इक्वल्स आर इक्वल्स, इक्वल्स, halves of equals are equal. Next term is statement. Statement. A sentence which can be judged to be a sentence which can judge to be true or false. True or false is called a statement. Is called a statement. दैट मीन्स ऐसे सेंटेंस जो या तो ट्रू हो या फॉल्स हो. ऐसे सेंटेंस जो ट्रू हो या फॉल्स हो उसे हम स्टेटमेंट कहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180 degree. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This statement is absolutely true. Statement ये आपका ट्रू होता है. दैट मीन्स इसको आप कह सकते हैं स्टेटमेंट है. इस सेंटेंस को आप स्टेटमेंट कह सकते हैं. सेकेंड, the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree. This statement is absolutely false. That means this sentence is absolutely false. That means ये भी आपका स्टेटमेंट हुआ. एंड नेक्स्ट, थर्ड, x plus 10 is greater than 15. It is a sentence, not a statement, because this value depends on x. If x is 5, then both are equal. If x is 6, then it is greater than 15. If x value of x is 4, then it is less than. That means it's a sentence, not a statement. That means statement, the sentence which can be judged to be true or false called statement. That means it may be either true or false. Next, theorems. Statements that requires proof. A statement that requires proof is called a theorem. Is called a theorem. That means ऐसा स्टेटमेंट जिसमें प्रूफ की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, यानी इसको विदाउट प्रूफ हम कह नहीं सकते, जज नहीं कर सकते, उसको हम कहते हैं थ्योरम है। ऐसे स्टेटमेंट जिसको विदाउट प्रूफ हम जज नहीं कर सकते, उसे हम थ्योरम कहते हैं। दैट मीन्स इट रिक्वायर्स प्रूफ। एंड establishing the truth of theorem is known as proving the theorem. Next, colliery, a statement whose truth can easily be deduced from a theorem is called colliery. That means colliery is the just reverse of the theorem. Colliery is the just reverse of the theorem. Includes 5 postulates. First, a straight line may be drawn from any point to another point. A straight line may be drawn from any point to another point, like this. A point P, and this is point is Q. This is a line. That means a straight line may be drawn from any point to another point. Next, or terminated line can be produced indefinitely. A terminated line P and Q. और terminated line can be produce indefinitely. दैट मीन इसको हम इनफाइनाइट तक प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. ऐसे लाइंस जिसके एंड पॉइंट्स नहीं होते हैं उसको टर्मिनेटेड लाइन कहते हैं. इस टर्मिनेटेड लाइंस को हम इनफाइनाइट तक प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. थर्ड, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. दैट मीन्स कोई भी सर्कल हो, किसी भी प्लेस के सेंटर लेकर किसी भी रेडियस से एक सर्कल हम ड्रा कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ, all right angles are equal. We know that all right angle is 90 degree and all 90 degree is equal. That means equals are equals. And last is 5. If a straight line falling on two straight line, if a straight line falling on two straight line make the interior angle angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angle, less than two right angles then two straight lines if produced indefinitely meet on that side which the angle taken together are less than two right angles. Means a straight line falling on the straight lines makes the interior angle which is less than on the same side of the taken together less than two right angle. Because if we produce this line join at a point form an angle. This means this interior angle is together less than 180 degree, less than 180 degree, because some angle is formed joint and form an angle theta. Next is some term related to geometry. Some term related to geometry. We will discuss this topic in the next class and write the all postulate axioms in your copies and complete them. We will discuss this some terms related to the geometry in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.